My name is Ellie Pilot, and I'm teaching this hoop class tonight at the Abacus.
And how come you do it at the Abacus?
I also teach at No Fit State. I'm the cover teacher there, but when the performers are back, they take over the classes, which is fine. I do it at the Abacus because Ariel, who works for Promo Cymru, she can never come to the classes on a Tuesday at No Fit, so I said, "Oh, why don't I come to you?" And she said that was a great idea. So that's why we're doing it here. And it's also a great space. It's actually quite a big room for lots of people.
And how come you got into hula hooping?
I got into hula hooping because of No Fit State Circus. My boyfriend was their lighting designer years and years ago, and I was really inspired in the first show that I saw, which was Immortal. They had a hula hooper who was drinking tea, and I was just like, I really want to do that. And I just found myself, whenever I watched the girl hula hooping, I found myself just sort of moving. So I just really wanted to learn as soon as I saw No Fit State doing it.
And so how long have you been doing that for?
About 5 years now.
So you're quite skilled in it.
Well, some things.
And so you've had a good response with your classes?
Yeah, really good. I did a trial in November here, and we had a lot of people there. So I thought I'd try it again in January, and we had to put on 2 classes tonight, which is why I'm a bit tired. So we had to do 2 classes, which is great, and they've been quite full both times. So yeah, it's good.
And so what kind of things do you teach in the classing? So you've obviously got a very mixed group of people who come along, don't you?
We do have a mixed group of people. It's mainly beginners, so we just learn to hoop on our waists, and if people find that difficult, we learn tricks on our hands. And for the people that can pick it up quite quickly, we learn things on our knees and on our chests, and just lots of different on-body moves, really, because it uses a lot more energy if you're hooping on your body rather than off your body.
And so does it have quite a good health benefit then? Like, is it for exercise?
Yeah, well, I don't know if you saw when you were filming, but people do get a good sweat on because it's an hour of, really, you're properly moving around. And as soon as you start using more than one hoop, it's really, really good for your core and your focus. So there's, loads of health benefits.
So you're using muscles that you wouldn't normally be using?
Exactly, yeah, exactly.
And so what's the plan now from now on with your classes?
And we're just going to do it once a month, the last Wednesday of the month in the Abacus, and see how that goes. And just for people to rock up and have some fun and learn some tricks and sort of get their core working, really.
And so how can people get involved?
Well, the classes that I run are the last Wednesday of the month, so they can come to that. There are other classes at No Fit State Circus, which are weekly, every Tuesday. And you can just follow me on my Facebook page, which is Helicopter Hoops, and see what's going on. And because I also teach workshops at festivals and sometimes other places as well. And there are sometimes the odd performance thrown in as well. So if you can stay up to date and get involved via the Facebook page.